7 powerful ways to gain more customers. Customers are the blood of a business. Just like a human being cannot be alive, right? Cannot survive without blood. No business can survive without customers. So if your business lacks customers, then it will soon die. In fact, it will die. Just like if somebody lacks blood, the person will die. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel. I'm excited as always to have you back. How are you doing today? All right. Have you subscribed to the channel? If you have not, go ahead, click on the subscribe button, and let's go straight into the topic of today: how to gain more customers. Number 1 is to offer value consistently. What do I mean? Many persons have businesses, either they are selling services or they are selling products, but the challenge is that they are not offering value, right? I'm sure you have gone to a business before and the services you got were below your expectations, and you swore to yourself never to return to that business again. Why? Because the business lacks value. I'm sure you bought a product before and the product was below standard. The person who sold it to you didn't give you all the information, and you ended up parting with your money, and at the end when you came back home, you were not satisfied with the product. What does that business lack? The business lacks value. Offering value consistently will ensure that you have customers consistently. All right? Offer value to your customers and make sure you give them more than what they are paying you for at every point in time. So number 1 is offer value consistently. Number 2 is offer exceptional customer service. Right? So many businesses neglect customer service, but it is very powerful to retaining customers, to even converting a new customer. Right? So many persons have missed calls on their business phone. They never care to return the calls. So many persons have messages, customers asking questions, but they fail to respond to those messages. What are you doing? You are chasing away customers. How do you want to gain more customers? So you must offer exceptional customer service by always being ahead of your game. Attend to your customers as if your life depends on them. Why? They are the life wire of the business. Give them more than what they are paying you for. Serve them and they will give you the money. The money is what you need. So what's the problem? Just serve them and collect the money. Right? So don't argue with your customers. Don't treat your customers as if they are trash. Don't treat them as if, whether they come or they don't come, your business will survive. No, every customer is important. So offer them exceptional customer service. Number 3 is invest in online ads. Now, the best way to kill a bad product is to advertise it. That's why I took you first from offering value and, of course, having a good customer service. If you don't have these 2 things, you cannot run ads. Because if you run ads with a bad product, you're going to kill the product. Why? If people buy the product, they won't come back and they will tell others. So when you have value and you have good customer service, you can now run ads. What will ads do for you? Ads will put you in front of people who would not have interacted with your business, right? You can target people all over the world. You can sit in your country and target people in another country. The world is now a global village. Logistics is very easy. You can deliver things to any part of the world in hours, right? In few days. So you can use ads to target people in any location of the world. And that way, you bring more people to your business, more customers to your business. Number 4 is improve your website, right? Improve your website by making sure that it is user-friendly, it is interactive. People can connect with you there, right? It is integrated with your other platform, like your social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Let everything be systematized. such that all your online engagement are linked together, right? So improve your website, optimize your content so that people can see you from search, right? So improve your website. The next one is use social media as number 5. Use social media, right? Social media is still very powerful, even though organic reach is going down, is nosediving, right? The platform are trying to emphasize that for you to reach audience, you need to pay money. You need to advertise. That's what most of them are doing. So they constantly tell you to advertise. Whether it's LinkedIn, they will tell you the same thing. Whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, all of them are bringing down organic reach because they want to focus more on people advertising. But still, there is still organic reach. You can still reach people organically, right, without spending money. But using it and creating valuable content there and reaching out to your ideal audience is the most important thing. Okay, so that's social media. Number 6 is build an email list, right? Email list is simply a list of your customers with their email addresses that you reach out to them at any point in time, whether you're announcing a new product or you're announcing a promo, right? Or it is Valentine's sale. Valentine's in a few days now, so you can use email. If you have an email list now, you can create a program around Valentine and blast it to your email list, letting them know what you have in stock for this Valentine. So that means you must deliberately build this list. Every customer that I bought from you must be on your email list. Sometimes you can run a lead generation ad to generate new leads from people who are interested in your business. Then you can now follow them up by connecting with them and moving them from being just a lead to a customer. All right, so every business must have an email list. It's very, very important. Segmented according to the different level, whether they are customers or they are prospects, right? So it's very, very important. Finally, number 7 is partner with other brands. Now, so many persons neglect this one, all right? Partnering with other brands can bring you more customers. All right, let me tell you something. Do you know you can partner with your competitor? Emmanuel, what are you talking about? Yes. You can actually partner with your competitor. Yes, you can. You can partner with your competitor to deliver a service. So it's not just about competing. Sometimes you and your competitor can do something together. All right? So find a way to partner with other brands. Right? Sometimes it can be trade by barter. Sometimes it can be where they are strong and where you are strong. You bring them together to serve a customer, to give a customer, an integrated service. So partnering with other brands can bring you more customers. All right, guys. I hope you have gotten value from the video. All right, and if you have, remember, if you are not subscribed, you will not get notification when we release a new video. And I tell you, we release our video every single day, Monday to Sunday of every single week. We release our video every day. So be sure to subscribe and, of course, on the notification so that whenever a video pops up, you will see it and be among the first to enjoy the fresh content. Remember to like and, of course, share the video. And if you have any question, please use the comment section. And I will see you again tomorrow in the next